Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Python, and today I got more TikToks for you. I've been told that they're top tier, so guess we'll see if they're top tier. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's jump in. First one, let's see it.
So your theory is Mario and Luigi have a third brother.
Uh-huh.
And the third brother is?
Dr. Mario.
Because Dr. Mario actually is his own character.
Yeah.
Okay.
In all the things, Dr. Mario is his own character.
Okay.
And in the new Mario movie,
Yeah.
there's a little girl sitting at the table, which I think is said to be Mario and Luigi's niece.
But they don't.
And their father was so disappointed in them because they were plumbers and his brother was a successful doctor, which means Dr. Mario is the third brother. And the colors of the Italian flag are green, red and white.
I'm crying. Where did you hear about this theory?
What?
Where did you hear about this theory?
Isn't it just obvious?
It is not.
Yeah.
It's not obvious. He was a different character in Super Smash Bros., but I never thought he was like.
And he was a different character in Mario.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked and shook all at once.
Since Mario isn't a doctor, he's a plumber.
He is. Oh my god. So your theory is
Okay, hold on, correct me if I'm wrong. Isn't shocked and shook kind of like the same basic meaning? Is that just me?
What is this? Are you drinking on the job? That's whiskey.
It's the glasses that are getting me. They like don't fit on his head fully. And like the turn that he does.
What is this? Are you drinking on the job?
Okay, that one might be a thumbnail. That is awesome. I just wish. Oh, that was great.
Oh no, there's Melanie. That's a shame, she was really nice. Oh no, there's Melanie. That's a shame, she was really nice.
You're next, bucko. I wouldn't get too comfortable. You're gonna be the next one in that rotisserie. Just wait. That one's about to yodel. It's funny as like this is accurate.
Is bedtime. Let's go.
Kai. Come.
Who chewed the headset?
Wait, she just pulled that one out of the trash? Is that what I just saw? Can I go back? Can I go back a little bit? Wait, hold on. I swear she pulled one out of the trash. Where is it? Yeah, like it's right. You can see its snout. It's right there. What's it doing in there? Why? All right then. But it's pretty accurate on the Huskies. They're so energetic and talkative and.
Don't understand how people can find like cute bananas, apples, ripe, banana, plum, avocado. My goodness, I can't.
I like that very first one, King Banana. That was pretty good. Brain just said, "Yeah, no, I'm clocking out for a couple minutes. I'm taking a snack break." Oh man,
Look what was underneath my dryer.
a cat?
A washer.
I
Look what.
said a cat too. There's a comment that said, "Oh, a cat." Yeah, I said a cat too. Oh man, that's funny. Nice, nice, nice.
I just got fired from Olive Garden. Apparently, I was sounding too sexual.
That's dumb. What do they mean by too sexual?
They didn't like the way that I said, "Tell me when to stop." I just got fired from.
Oh hell no, dude. Oh man. Yeah, Elon, let's go. Why are you jumping, bud? He doesn't know what to do with himself. You can see it. You could tell he didn't know what to do. He just kind of seemed a little awkward being up on that stage right there.
I cannot stop thinking about Elon Musk jumping. Why did he look like that? Why does he jump like that? Elon, jump. I cannot stop thinking about Elon.
Oh, that's great. I like the sending order right there. That was pretty good.
How to forever trap your friends in the house in Phasmophobia.
Let me out! Please get me out!
All you have to do is walk up to the door, make sure it's shut, grab it while looking down, and then walk towards it until it bends like this. The door now cannot be interacted with, meaning everyone inside is now stuck permanently. This glitch works on every map with a normal door. And what makes this glitch overpowered is the second the ghost hunts, you'll be teleported straight out the map.
Please no!
And that's how to forever trap your friends in.
Okay. All right. That's interesting. Now I know the shenanigans that are probably going to be happening in the next Phasmophobia stream. So nice.
A man is lucky to be alive after being stabbed at Tiddy-Widdy Beach on York Peninsula. The victim was flown to Adelaide last night after he confronted the suspect trying to break into his home. Thankfully, his condition isn't considered to be life-threatening. A 29-year-old Ardrossan man's been arrested and has also been taken to hospital. A man is...
I'm sorry, I can't. What was that name? And like that's a real place too. That's the funny thing. Like, alrighty then. Wow.
Anakin, why is your Padawan drunk? Hey, you said raise her spirits. Give me that. That's not what I meant, you fuck. Anakin, what?
Wow. When did Star Wars become so freaking just out of control? Ahsoka's drunk now? Dang.
Yo, if the lady at the taco truck hadn't forgot my pipe wrench, I never would have known that the ancient Egyptians used VeggieTales to control the price of spinach in Bangladesh. Now I have to rebuild the bunk beds, and I don't know how much yellow I can use. Yo!
No, I can't. I can't. I tried so hard to make sense of what he just said, and my brain just hurts now. Oh, my brain just hurts now. Did that hurt your guys' brain too? Wow. I was lagging there. Like, what was going on?
You look like you're crying. Are you crying? I have really bad allergies. Oh. I was also abused. You look like you're crying.
Wow, dude just came out of left field with it. Did just straight right hook, man. That was crazy. Oh. 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 Oh, please hit someone. Oh. Ooh. He's trying. Oh. Oh, dang, that was good. That was great.
Some bread for some head? Oh shit, he's for real. Some bread for some head?
You gotta be careful with doing that now, man. Some people take that too seriously, you know? Like, they go for it, they go for it. His scream at the end is what's made it even better. Where is it right here?
Some bread.
It's great.
Can anybody tell me when I'm supposed to get my tires changed out? Like, they've been a little dusty. I know I'm supposed to get them recarved, but I just need help.
A little dusty. I know I need them recarved. That's what she says. Wow. Ten out of 10. 10 out of 10. Good luck.
Whoa, whoa, you buried a lightsaber in sand?
Yeah, and actually, I think it might have been yours. Or Luke's, but yours before his.
Anakin, are you okay? Should we get... I'll fucking kill you. I'll gut you like the fucking raw...
Anakin, calm down.
Let me at her. I'll fucking kill you.
I've never seen him so angry.
Your days are numbered, girl. They're fucking numbered.
Let's restrain him, quick!
I'm sorry. I didn't think that...
It's not your fault, dear. You couldn't have known. Ahsoka, give him the pill.
Open up, Anakin.
No!
Oh,
you can't make me.
jeez.
Let me go. I want to tear the flesh from her bones.
Oh, wow.
You need therapy.
Yeah, maybe. Just don't book me with Jar Jar again.
Why not? Is Hisa not good enough for you, sir?
That's kind of racist. You can't just culturally appreciate his language.
Did you mean culturally appropriate?
Well, that's what I was going for.
I thought racism was Anakin's thing.
Oh, man.
Don't gatekeep racism.
Yeah, if Obi-Wan wants to be a bigot, we should let him.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, you buried a lightsaber in sand?
Man, these action figures are just kind of out of pocket. What is going on?
So my mom got these cups that don't break. Look. So my mom got these cups that don't break. Look. So my
The fuck?
What do you mean, what am I doing if I see that? What's up, dog?
Oh man, it's like, is that a doll? It's really realistic looking. I don't know. That's interesting. That's.
God damn it! I'm not taking. They just had the train going one way, and that they done turned the train around and moved it around. What the hell? The hell? The hell? Hey, motherfucker! Who in charge of this train? We was already at the end, and now you're taking it backwards. Wait till you get down here, conductor. I'm gonna give you a piece of my mind. Hurry up, wherever you at, fam. Wait till you get down here. We have 4 cars, and you backed this motherfucker up. No, you didn't. And I gotta pee. I gotta pee and I gotta doo-doo, and that's not a good spot to do it. Ooh, wait till you get this train back down here. Wait till you get this train back down here. I'ma cuss you something awful. I'ma cuss you something awful. Vengeance is mine! Vengeance is mine! God damn it.
Oh man, that's great. Oh man, that escalated so fast. He had to pee and he had to doo doo. Oh man.
Oh no.
Hey! Down! That's my goddamn Mercedes. Fuck you.
Hey!
Oh, he got one. No, there's no way.
Oh no.
Well, now you gotta deal with the bear in your car. Have fun with that one. That's crazy. The bear is actually able to open the doors. Oh man, that is crazy. The death stare in the face. She was worried about getting bit. The frog said, "Let me get a closer look." Yeet. Oh, whoo.
If you're playing a game of Uno and someone gives you a +4 card, be a good sport. Add 30 tranquilizers to
Oh
their
my
drink.
god.
If you're playing a game of Uno.
Wow, I think that's a bit much for someone. Holy crap. Wow.
Babe, look at all the chickens. They're looking at me. They're gonna go to the nicest farm ever. I bet and have a nice time. No, Tyson, no.
Oh man, that's just ironic right there. Dang.
It's okay. 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 I got you. I know, yeah. I know, yeah. Fucking, yeah. I wouldn't want to be manhandled too. But like, I'm trying to save you. I don't miss the coffee. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, no, fuck you too. Yeah. It's cool. Just up here trying to save your fucking life. Alright. Be free.
That slow head turn though, like that bird was like, "Bro, did you really just grab me? Like, stop." Oh man, that kid was ready to just smack that other one upside the head with a chair. Holy cow. Yo, that's crazy. That was the biggest prank I've ever seen. Just smack and run. Wow.
Mom, look at this AMD. Love it. Don't play with me, mother.
Oh my god. Wow.
Sorry.
Chicken, quit barking at her. Careful, chicken's going out. Hey! I'll get him. Okay. Did not know that's what it was. It's not every day you hear that, is it? You too. Hi. Hi. Tell her bye. Tell her bye. Thanks.
That's crazy. You can tell the bird's been around dogs though, because like full on acted like a dog with the head movements and everything. Oh my god, no fucking... That's an interesting pollination sound, wow.
Anton, you know what time it is. Go home. Anton, you know...
And you can see the rip away pants right there on the thigh, but like it's still pretty funny.
This is an intake.
Oh, you showed me this one too.
This is a breather. That's where your air filter goes, and this is your mass airflow sensor. You got that? All right. So these are headlights. He has an old vehicle, so they pop up and down. They're really cool. This is your radiator. And hang on.
This poor frog.
Look, this special car. It has 3 pedals, man. So that one's your clutch, that's your brake, and that's your gas. And you move that thing right there. You got all that? Think you can do it?
You just grab a frog and decide, like, huh, you know what? Let's go show it a little bit about a vehicle and record it. Let's see how that does. It's probably how it was. He's like, oh, frog. Okay, let's go make a video.
Sorry. Flying. Sorry.
Oh, man, I love how brutally honest kids are. It's amazing.
If you're done being a fucktard, we'll let you out.
Guess not.
Nice.
God damn. Anybody ever see a turtle run? Hey, I was gonna... Okay. Well, I was gonna help you.
The splash, man, that is great. You just hear it plop in the water. Oh, man. Alrighty, everyone. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Drop a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new to see more. And, yeah, I will see everyone in the next video. Goodbye.